For my flipped classroom experience, I worked alone and covered 4th grade social studies, specifically the Aztecs, the Mayas, and the Incas. The learning objective was students will explore the ancient civilizations of the Aztecs, the Incas, and the Mayas and create a 5-minute multimedia presentation outlining the week's information on the topic. The DOK level was 4. This is because students are making connections while they are synthesizing the knowledge they have acquired on the subject. They will design and create a presentation to display this knowledge as well. The Bloom's level was evaluation and create. Students will evaluate the importance of the information and create a presentation outlining what they deem to be valuable. So basically, students will go through the week and learn all about these ancient civilizations and collect all their information in groups, and then they'll present. I'm not sure why this slide is. Skipped ahead a little bit there too. The P state standardifying the characteristics of places following criteria, population, cultures, political activity was on the Inca. Geography, trends, architecture, and products were discussed, as well as how the first place and the downfall. Basically, you create an extra board at a time, and then you sit, so don't know actually had it ready. And it's a experience for the student to be on the Aztecs and the Mayas. Each time notes on the subject differently colored. They will create a group label. This is where they start by pick and then about words associated back through and in any way appropriate. And posters around the room find. I have a poster, and each student should note, and they can or a question by each. And the students can a quick write on the prompt, the Aztec Mayas. Quick writes. This is a specific strategy they used with LLs because it's more in juggling it with their knowledge. They become more prompts and ultimate result and to the teachers, myself, and groups and create a presentation or if it would allow them in choosing their prompt. I just ask have me ahead of time. So this could come movie, PowerPoint, anything as long as it's creative on their presentation. Students have one work each and they questions and answer for each group as the exit slip.